Okay, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how to set up a case from a UFOCFD flow solution and do an animation with an orbit. So I've read in this octree.vtk file. So I want to create a slice. And there's my slice, and I want that to be, say, density. And I also want the body surface. So for that, I need to do cell data to point data. I keep getting these warning messages coming up. And then I want a contour surface and the contour of distance field. And the distance field has to be 0 because it's a body surface. There we have a body surface, and then you can display something on that. So again, choose density. So this is what I want the view that I want to animate. So normally I'd go to camera and set up the view from there. I would normally have add a bit of elevation to it, just so that it looks nice. And the main thing is to check that the view up is aligned with my y-axis, because that's the only thing that sometimes goes a bit wrong and it starts rotating, it'll look wonky. So that's the view up, and then I can also check that by doing azimuth. That looks okay, so let's close that. So that's the view I want to animate. And then I will go into animation view. I've done this previously, so it's set up right. But let's just delete that previous one. Start time 0, end time 360, as in 360 degrees. Number of frames 180. So that means it's going to go in increments of 2 degrees, hopefully. And so then you need to add your camera view, and that is set to orbit. So add a camera orbit. So add that. And then again, check that the normal direction is 0, 1, 0 upwards. So that should be okay. And then, if we've done it properly, we can see it orbiting nicely. So I'm going to stop that. So you can get rid of this animation view if you want, but I'm just going to leave it there for the time being. Then we go to save animation and change the frame rate to, for example, 20s, or I sometimes use. And I'm going to save this as OGV file. And so that's creating the animation in an OGV file. And once it's done that, I will go to File Convert online and then just convert it to an MP4 file, because that seems to work best for me. So that is how you create an animation in Paraview.